These tasty and easy hot lemon pepper wings are easy to make in the air fryer, grilled, or in the oven. And I'm going to teach you how to make them start to finish, including a really delicious lemon pepper sauce. It all starts with some very basic ingredients. And first you just need to mix together the dry rub for the lemon pepper wings. So mix all of the ingredients in a bowl. Salt, garlic powder, and you need baking powder if you're going to make these in the oven. So you can make them in the air fryer like you see here, and you can get directions for that at sipbytego.com, or just click the link below this recipe. And then you could also make these in the oven. It takes about an hour in the oven. Air fryer is about an hour as well. Or you can make these on the grill, and that's one of my favorite ways to make wings lately. And you can again get all the directions for that at sipbytego.com. But now I really want to show you, since I have so many wings recipes here, I wanted to really get into the sauce for lemon pepper wings. So these lemon pepper chicken wings actually get all of the lemon pepper seasoning in this step when you make the sauce. And the sauce is really only a few ingredients. You just need some melted butter, a lot of that lemon pepper seasoning, and some other pepper. And of course some fresh parsley, which gives it a really nice and bright taste. So this is a pretty hot and spicy sauce. It's a little different obviously than buffalo style sauce, but it is a really nice flavor to them. And if you wanted, you could make it a honey lemon pepper wings recipe just by adding some honey to this sauce. You have to check out my new recipe for garlic parmesan chicken wings. They're so freaking good. All right, this cheesy garlic wing recipe comes together. You could either make it in the air fryer or in the oven. And then I teach you how to make a really simple white sauce that goes all over them. It's covered in garlic and Parmesan cheese, and it's so good. You really never had gourmet wings until you try these. Make sure to head over to sipbytego.com or check out the Sip Bite Go YouTube video for garlic Parmesan chicken wings. And for more delicious recipes, make sure to subscribe to Sip Bite Go on YouTube. I have so many wonderful things heading your way. All right, foodie friends, well, you should have all the kitchen confidence you need to make this delicious lemon pepper wings recipe. You'll have to show me how it goes. Make sure to like this video if you learned something new. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!